In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to use blend modes, which means controlling how one clip blends with the clip underneath it. Blend modes are very useful when working with overlays like light leaks, textures, dust effects, or even creative color effects. Let's begin. First, place two clips on your timeline. Make sure one clip is on a video track above another clip. Now, select the top clip. Go to the Effect Controls panel. Under the Opacity section, you'll see an option called Blend Mode. Click on the drop-down menu. Here you'll see different blend mode options like Normal, Multiply, Screen, Overlay, Add, and many more. Let's understand a few common ones. Multiply darkens the image and is useful for adding textures. The screen removes black backgrounds and is perfect for light leaks or glow effects. Overlay increases contrast and gives a more dramatic look. As you select different blend modes, you'll immediately see how the top clip interacts with the bottom clip. You can also adjust the opacity slider to control how strong the blending effect appears. Blend modes are especially useful when adding cinematic overlays or creative effects without complex masking. And that's it. You now know how to use blend modes in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.